welcome to Friday's True Trading Group live stream. All right, my name is Adam. I am the co-founder of True Trading Group, and for those that don't know, True Trading Group, or TTG, is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal, and that is to learn, trade, and profit together. We are 5-star rated with over 1,200 reviews on Trustpilot, guys. 6 times a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live for free on this YouTube channel where Mike, who you guys saw in the thumbnail, that was actually a picture that Mike sent us from his honeymoon. So he looks great. I see that he's not manscaping while away. Good for him, right? Rules. Who says they gotta do it right, Joe? That's right. All right. Anyways, welcome, guys. So tonight we have something today we have something really special for you. As you guys may or may not know, if you've never been on the stream before, welcome. Typically, it is not this disheveled, messed up hair, tired person that you see. It is usually Mike Edward, who is our head trader at True Trading Group. But, you know, this week he's been on his honeymoon, and we have had a complete change in format in our live streams this week. We've brought on a lot of the other TTG mods because in True Trading Group, it's not just watch Mike trade, right? There's literally something for everyone. And we've had on the Wolf of Weed Street all week, who's a partner and mod inside a chat. We've had on Chris Toner and Jason Simmons, the professor, and Jessica, and all of our mods. But what we're going to do today is something really awesome. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to bring on all of our mods, okay, with the exception of like 1 or 2 of them that had some family obligation today. I'm going to bring on 95% of our mods, our pro traders in True Trading Group, each with a different style. You guys are going to have as much time as needed to ask them as many questions as you would like. Oh, nice. JD and Chef Daddy are here too. Cool. So 97% of 99% of our mods now are here. So guys, without further ado, let me bring in, first off, my partner in crime, Jason, the Wolf of Weed Street Spatafora.
Howdy, everybody. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Everybody on Friday looks rough.
It is rough.
Totally rough.
All right. Then next, I'm going to bring on Chris Toner. Hey, buddy.
Good evening, everyone.
Then I'm going to bring on Glenny Trades.
Hi, y'all.
Followed by Momin, who has muted himself. Has still muted himself. Nope. He'll figure it out.
Maybe.
Next, I'm going to bring on Jessica Woodward.
Hey, yo, it's Friday.
Then I'm going to bring on Toby. Jason, the Professor Simmons, followed by JD.
Hey, yo, how's everybody doing this weekend? Getting ready.
JD.
And now, I think he's almost ready. Chef Daddy, you good? Give me a thumbs up. All right. And Chef Daddy. And what a Brady Bunch we look like. All right. And then, of course, joining us, someone just left. Joining us, as always, I think that was Momin, maybe just refreshing. Let me see where he's at.
Can I pet Toby?
Can you hear me now?
Yep,
Yeah.
we can hear you now. Excellent. Joining us, as always, is Chris's charts. All right. So, guys, what we're going to do right now is I encourage everyone to start typing their questions in chat. I'm going to pull them up on the screen, okay? And then our mods are going to answer your questions live, okay? So let's do this. All right. Guys, type in your questions. Let's do it.
In the center square,
In the center square.
Paul Lynn.
Here we go. This is from Soccer Mom. All right. Let's see. Yeah, there's no way to really. Anyways, why is a stock gap important as resistance or support? And once it filled, does it matter in the future? Which mod wants to take it? Raise your hand. Okay, Professor, go for it.
Okay, so what you'll notice if you draw a gap, of course, a true gap, when you see a lot of these stocks gap down, the reason we pay so close attention to them is because they'll have a vacuum where there's no shares ever traded like a stock hit all-time high. So once it enters that vacuum, it should go, whoop, up unless there's been shares traded there. Now, when you have a gap like on AMC, I'm sure Toner, as charts are, even Game or Ford that we're looking at now, gaps from the past make channels because they make support and resistance. Stocks love to trade in channels. So whenever there is a gap, you can make a line across. MVIS is another perfect example where it just got right up to its gap and got denied. So whenever there's a gap, it creates a new channel for that stock. So they're important to mark out, especially of course, you want to make sure they line up with other areas.
All right, excellent. Now let's go. Next one. Let's see. What do we got? All right. So Tamar M is asking, next week, markets bullish or bearish? Mods, raise your hand. Let's see who wants to answer. Momin.
Bullish. That's from my point of view.
Oh, you said bullish. Okay, why
Yep.
though? Why though? Tell us.
Yeah, we get the charts this morning in Q, SPY, and Dow Jones. So we have the Qs outperforming starting from yesterday. So with money flow being in tech sector, that's a bullish sign. We have a low volume pullback in mid of this week, which followed by 2 days in a row and upside. So I'm bullish in the market, mainly in tech sector for next week.
Okay.
Wolf has his hand up.
Wolf, go ahead.
Yeah. I think bullish, we come out on top because we're going to, Fed basically giving a decision that they're not going to taper until next year. And they're not even going to talk about when they're going to taper until August or September, which is why the market was up today. So I do still think that we're going to get more sideways action. So we're not looking at 45-degree angles. I think it's just going to basically just melt up slowly.
Okay. Let's see. What do we got? Let's see. All right, here's another one for Wolf. So Jason, go ahead and share your thoughts on the AMC puts. Thank you.
So I actually got into 2 puts today and absolutely destroyed it. It was my 2 best trades. Look, this is the thing. One, I think that you have got to have your finger on the trigger to get out of those puts. And basically, I just look at, when this gets to some short-term support or resistance, I just buy the put. And then I'm out within 30 seconds to a minute because that's how volatile these are. I mean, I said to everybody at the end of the day, I know what I'm going to be doing next Friday. So, look, I still think that there's a lot of fatigue in there that a lot of people aren't accounting for. But, am I looking to hold puts overnight or over the weekend? No. For the most part, I've made my money shorting AMC and GameStop. I don't need to be a hero, you guys rip. Go to $70, whatever blows your hair back.
All right, excellent. Let's see. Let's looking at questions. Okay. The next question comes from Brandon Strybeck, who says, "Is this truly live?" Here's what I want to do. I'm going to unmute everyone real quick. Can everyone just say hi to Brandon on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Hi, Brandon.
Hey.
Hi, Brandon.
Do it, Jason.
You didn't unmute me.
I did unmute you, didn't I?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But is it truly live?
I think it may be live.
Could be.
All right, here's a question. Does an option on expiration day have theta decay throughout the day if brought on a previous day? A same day expiration has theta decay throughout the day, correct? Does it grow? Raise your hand if you want to answer this one. Toner.
Yeah, I mean, theta is going to apply on every day through the expiration. So the final day of the option, even though it's expiring that day, you're still going to have decay. Now, it doesn't necessarily, what was the question? Does it grow? It doesn't necessarily grow. It's just as time's running out, it becomes a higher percentage of the remaining premium. So like when you have an hour left, whatever that theta is, that whole amount is going to decay in that last hour. If you got a couple hours left, well, now it's fractionalized, so as the time grows closer to expiration, decay does accelerate, but not necessarily grow. It's just because of the ratio of time that's left is going lower.
Excellent. Let's move on. Can you cover? Yeah, this is a good one. All right, Simmons, you're up. Can you cover entry and re-entry points?
So whenever you want to come and enter a stock, guys, you have to wait for confirmation of a pattern. In TTG, we look for trade line VWAP crosses. We look for breaks up and above the initial morning high. We also look for bounces off previous day's close and previous day's highs. So once you see one of those areas start to act as support, if you're going long, you wait for the trade line to catch up. You watch the volume profile. Your trade is going correctly when the trade line starts to go up at a 45-degree angle and separate from VWAP. So when you see those, after seeing the same pattern over and over again, you'll want to stop. Now, to place your stop, you can either use the fibs, you can use the previous highs, or once the stock really gets going, the trade line, aka the golden road, you can use as your stop. If it breaks through that, when you look at a stock and it's going up at a 45-degree angle, that's the trend line. The trend is our friend.
Excellent. All right. You know what I'd like to do real quick? Because I'm sure there's a lot of people on here that don't, that maybe aren't too familiar with all of you. What I'd like to do is I'd like each of you to take like a minute or two and describe like your trading style and what you do inside of True Trading Group. All right, Simmons, go first.
Okay, my name is Jason Simmons, aka the Professor. I trade everything. I like futures for its pure charting on world events. I like stocks for their stories, and I like crypto because it's volatile and new. Guys, I am the Professor. I come in and I have homework for you guys. The Miami Morning Colada Club every morning from 7:30 up until 9:15. We go over stocks. I'm literally the professor of the room. If you guys have any questions, I answer them all day long. I have 6 screens up, 6 charts up, where I have possible trade ideas for you, and I walk you through them on the mic.
Excellent. Now let's go to Glennie. Glennie, talk to me about your trading style, who you are, what you do. Go ahead.
Unmuted. Can you hear me? No, I
We
can't.
can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, we can hear you.
Got it. My name is Glenny Trades. Glenn, I've been a financial advisor for many years, 35 years of experience. I entered, or I became a member of True Trading Group back last year. Been a moderator since January of this year. I concentrate in swing trades, mid to long term. A swing trade is a trade over a day. So it could be 2 days, it could be 2 weeks, it could be 2 months. Sometimes it gets even longer. So things that I look for, I use a lot of different analysis when coming up with swing trades, social sentiment, market sentiment, market psychology. I'm looking for trends. I'm looking for some catalysts that might be happening within a particular industry or particular company. I'm looking for stocks that are oversold. I'm looking for bullish divergence. So there's a lot of things that I take into consideration. I work on technicals, but usually at the end of my process when I'm looking at stocks to trade. So I want to own a company as whenever you buy a stock, you're an owner of the company. So these are not short-term trades. These are a little bit longer term. So I want to know more about the company, what they do, what their earnings are, what their sales are like, what's going to move them higher going forward. And then I look at the charts and I want to, the fundamental analysis tells me really what companies I want to own, but the technicals, looking at charts, will tell me when I want to own them, when I don't want to own them, when I want to make my entrance, where I think support is, where the resistance are, and that'll help me decide when to get into a trade.
Excellent. All right, next, Jessica, you ready?
Now I'm ready.
All right, good.
So I've been trading for 7 months now with an education with TTG. I became a mod 3.5 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago now. And I mainly like to trade mid caps and large caps. I do not trade anything with hotkeys. That's not my style. But I mainly day trade.
All right, excellent. And then we got Simmons. Moment, you're up.
My name is Moment. So first, I love tennis, and I'm watching now Djokovic and Nadal to be with you. I'm leaving this game to be with you, which is very important game for me. So my rule and TTG, I come on every day in the morning with a watch list, and mainly in big market cap and options trading. I spent my first 2 years in only trading stocks, because I was thinking like options is going to be very volatile and high risky. So I didn't touch options for 2 years till I figure out how it works. Now, since I start trading option for 4 years, more than 4 years, almost 5 years now, I stopped trading stocks. I'm only trading options, using option to reduce the risk, to increase the profit. At some point, we can. I like mainly to be in complex options, like being in vertical spread or leaps with diagonal spread or time spread, to reduce my risk. So I like options more, mainly in big market cap for liquidity. So this is my main style for a swing and a day trade. We do a 1 leg too for short swings or a couple of days or day trades, but I like more to be in complex swing like iron condor or debit spread, leaps, and diagonal spreads.
Thank you kindly. And JD.
Hello, everyone. I'm JD. I have been trading for roughly 40 years with mutual funds. Did a lot of OTCs over the last couple of years. I recently got my education. I'm fully confident about a year ago. And I picked up options. I like the faster trades. I do a lot of the ETFs. Most of them.
Nice. Very nice. Guys, let me turn my camera back on. At True Trading Group, we literally have something for everyone. And what you're seeing here, we're still missing Jay Downing, who's our head swing trader. and you know, hang on one second. And excuse me. And Chef Daddy, which I'm not sure where he went. But all good. We shall continue. All right. So I wanted you guys to meet these people because you guys typically see Mike come on here time and time again. And this week, because Mike was on his honeymoon, you really got a sense for everyone else inside of True Trading Group, which is fantastic because it is a lot more than just Mike. So, guys, this is, I don't know, Jay, what do you think?
Yeah, this is, it's a mix for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. You should know who I am. Google me.
Oh, Jesus. All right. Well, anyways, guys, so let's get back to the Q&A. Let's keep the questions coming in. All right, let's see here. All right, here's a question from Donald. Here, I'll switch with Toner. From Donald Allbear. Is a swing trade better or safer for long-term than day trading or option? I'm not doing great on either of them right now. Who wants to take it? Glennie?
Okay, so I don't know if I would say it's better. It's usually less volatile. Things that I do are, look at my weathered face. I have a lot of years. I don't typically trade volatile securities. Things that I do are going to take a little bit of time. I like to pick up $100 bills. I'm not looking for 30% gains in an hour. I might get it in a week, but my focus is to find companies that are going to move within a relatively short period of time. So is it better? I couldn't say it's better. It might be safer, but safer is a term that I don't want to use, but it's definitely different. You can let things develop. Short-term day trading, stocks are either going to run, they sometimes hit resistance, they fall back, they break support, and oftentimes if they're one of the ones that are up 100% in the morning, they could flush, and unless you have your stops accurately placed, you can lose money. So things that I do are typically not going to have flushes. So safer, maybe more conservative, I would say.
All right, guys. I got a Dash Singh says everyone smash that like button. That would be nice. Let's do that. So I have a question for you guys, and you guys can take this one. A couple of you can answer this. My question is this: a lot of times we get people come into True Trading Group and they ask, well, what do I trade if I have a full-time job, or if I have a really busy schedule, or if I don't have a lot of money to start, or what is the best way to go about trading with a full-time job, and how can I make the most of something like True Trading Group with a full-time job? So let's see, who wants to take this one to start? Dwayne or JD, go right ahead.
I was a full-time employee for close to 40 years. During that time, I like to do the swing trades. To me, it gives you a little bit of time to watch how the market is progressing, so you don't have the liability from a short day trade. My take on it.
All right. And all right, I see all of you. Let's go Jessica, and then I'll go Simmons. Good.
So, in my opinion, I like to day trade. I don't prefer swing trading. So my advice is, if there is a day you have off, trade when you can, because on those days, if you're scanning the market throughout the week and you find setups that you've been waiting for, and on that day off, you can hit those setups that can be home run trades, and that could be the one day that you trade per week and make the profit that you're looking to make throughout the entire week. So in my opinion, I day trade when I can, and that's my approach on it. I don't like to swing trade. So for me, I just would rather sit on my hands and wait for a setup when I am able to trade.
Yeah, but what do you know about a busy schedule?
Well, let me tell you, I am a mom of 3 kids and I own 2 other businesses outside of trading. So discipline has become a huge part of my trading, and I've had to really learn to be very select when it comes to picking the trades that I choose to get in, and being very good about stopping out and setting hard stops when I get busy throughout the day. So.
All right. And then who else had their hand up to answer this? Simmons, go. You're muted.
If you guys are working a full-time job, just like Jessica said, A, you can only trade when you have time. And B, guys, swing trading is something that where if you find a trend, you can set your stops and then every day re-examine the swing trade and then go back. And guys, at TTG, we do a whole entire morning show that we talked about where if you're getting ready for the morning, you guys can listen to it. We go over all the stocks, possible swing trades, possible day trades. So there's a lot of people in our room that do that. And another thing that we have at TTG I brought up was the homework. So let's say that you already have a game plan for the stock a week in advance, then that's going to help you not have to sit there and focus and go through a whole bunch of different things. So I would day trade when you have the days off and you can sit there and watch your computer, and then swing trade the rest of the time. And always listen to the information that we have.
All right, that sounds great. And then Wolferino.
Let me finish. And then nobody else.
He's like a pot version of Tony Stark.
I really enjoy my free time. If I don't like trading in front of a laptop, and I need to be able to get up and go. So, the easiest way is to first trade ideas and not even trade. For me, it was when I got into investing. Okay, so that's much different than trading. Investing, you start with ideas and then you let those flesh out. You're not worried about getting in and getting out. You're just trying to get the hang of it. Let me tell you, me investing versus me day trading, the P&L is so far apart. Okay, and this is something that you too might come to realize. Like, be an investor first, because at the end of the day, if your ideas suck, all right, your trades are probably going to suck. Good companies will perform well. You look for the good companies. You figure out, all right, what makes a good company good? How can I read a balance sheet? These are all things that kind of go into it. So, for me, I trade every day, but I don't consider myself a day trader. I consider myself managing my either long-term positions or my long-term swing ideas. That's my take on it. Next question.
That was a good take. All right. So what I want to do real quick, just to kind of show you guys something here. All right. Let's see if this will load up. It's loading. I swear I have like dial up in the office. All right. So let me zoom in a bit, and here we go. All right. So guys, what you're looking at right here on the screen, okay? What you're looking at on the screen right here is a collective win rate of all the mods that are a part of TTG. So collectively, since July 16th, 2020, our mods have a cumulative win rate of 84.30%. Okay. Currently, right now, Jason the Wolf Spataphora is in first place. All right, 96.06%. All right, it's silly. I'm just waiting to see when that eventually settles out. I'm not sure when it does. Mike has a 78.49% win rate. Okay. Chris Toner is rocking an 81.98% win rate. Jay Downing has a 66.60% win rate. Momin has an 83.24% win rate. Glenny's rocking a strong 94.68% win rate, but in fairness, he copies all of Wolf's trades. I'm just kidding.
Are you?
JD's strong out the box, man, 89.04%. And Jessica, for literally trading for 7 months, has a 79.66% win rate, which is insane. So yes, she doesn't have the 23 years that Toner has or the 40 years that JD has or whatever. But guys, we picked her as a mod for a reason. All right. And she's killing it. She's officially become the TTG mom, I think. I remember hearing that somewhere. Also, you guys have access to this. What's on the screen right now is a full trading history and trade journal. We show all of our trades, the wins, the losses, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything in between on True Trading Group. We are completely transparent with all of our trades for every single moderator that we have. Okay? So I just wanted to kind of go over that, you know, these, hang on one second. Where's it at? Oops, there it is. I just wanted to basically let you guys know that these, you know, these are the people that are guiding you and talking to you and helping to educate you inside of True Trading Group. And they are consistent, they are good, they are thoughtful, and they really do put the member first above and beyond anything. You know, we're only as good or as successful as our members are. All right, so let us move on. All right, so guys, keep. Let's see, what other questions do we got here? Okay, Wolf, what is your thought on the infrastructure bill?
You know, so right now, bipartisan group with like 10 senators say they're gonna, you know, they're gonna get a bill passed, like $1 trillion for a 5-year plan. Look, I look at it like this. The Democrats have a round in the chamber as far as trying to jam it through reconciliation. You know, they've got the numbers to do that, so I think they can. So you know, having it be bipartisan lets everybody share in the win. But at the end of the day, our infrastructure sucks. Roads are crumbling, bridges are a mess, and you know, we still need that. You know, our power grid's a mess, and you know, we actually need to start planning for the future. You know, everything is like 1970s, 80s technology. So yeah, I mean, I definitely made some big bets on infrastructure starting in September, and I'm starting to see that now. So yeah, look, I think it happens regardless, but you know, for the things that I'm invested in, you know, infrastructure, while it's just kind of the cherry on top, the supply and demand is there for those companies to grow anyway. So yeah, I mean, that's really my perspective on it, you know, and I'm in everything from cement companies, steel companies, to Caterpillar, tool companies or rental companies. So yeah.
So here's a good question. Let me switch spots with Jason. So here's a good question. Have you all changed or adjusted your trading style since becoming a mod, and how? I like that question. All right, let's get somebody else before we go back to Wolf.
Okay.
You know what? I want to hear Jessica. I want to hear her take on it because she's brand new, and you and I just had a conversation about it. And go ahead.
Honestly, like, since becoming a mod, realistically, I have felt the pressure of exploring other styles. And I found when I did that, my trading was not as good. And I really had to take time to refocus back to, before I became a mod, like, I'm still doing well, but before I became a mod, I was like on track, laser focused, right? And then got in my head a little bit. And once I realized, like, I don't have to be like Wolf or like Momin, like, I have something that works for me, and not just for my trading style, but for my lifestyle. Like, all of our lifestyles look different. All of us have different time frames that we're able to trade. Some of us have jobs, some of us have kids, and I just need to continue to do what works for me, and that's to stick with my style and how I've been trading prior to becoming a mod. I do enjoy learning new styles and seeing what the market has to offer, right? Like, we always should be a student of the market, but do what works for you. Like, that's who I'm sticking to, and my trading style personally works best with my schedule and being a mod. So I'm going to just stick to what I know. And I think that was your question, right?
Yep. JD, go ahead. How has your trading style changed since you have become a mod?
I have become a lot more, how do I put it, aware of what the risk I'm putting our members at. So I try to focus more on the more conservative and safer trades. My trading style is more aggressive than most of our mods in here. I will do a scalp every now and then, which is the advanced trades, which is tough to put our members into. So I have to look and see, where is this really going? I'm trying to be more conservative compared to my cowboy type style that I had. Just trying to jump into a trade and go for it. I think that's my biggest thing.
All right. Jason?
Oh, hey, there you are.
Didn't see you there.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's actually helped me a little bit more too, even with my trading, because, the more I interact and have one-on-ones and communicate, and I hear, some of the members and some of their issues, and I'm like, I do that a bit too. So it makes me think. So I think it's definitely helped to evolve my strategy to something a little bit more conservative. But what I found is that by being more conservative, my monthly P&L has actually just become much bigger than before. So, I'd like to give trades that I think are, are lower risk and more based off of ideas, rather than kind of some of the early cowboy stuff when I joined TTG. There's a sense that, oh, Wolf only trades pot stocks. Well, I didn't trade a pot stock until late July. It's more technology, and I'm trading different things at different times of the year. But at the end of the day, I don't want to give people bad trades, or alert stuff that I'm in that I think is too high risk or anything. Not because I don't think they could handle it, because I'll go over it with them. But I also don't want. And I'm going to be honest. I just don't want to have losing trades because, you know, look, I've got 60 something thousand followers on Twitter. And if I start giving people shit trades, then I'm going to hear about it a lot. So yeah, it's definitely changed my style.
Who do you not want to hear it from more, me or your 60,000 followers?
My 60,000 followers.
Really?
You don't trade, so I don't really care. Your opinion's like, you know, your opinion is like on par with my wife's opinion when I'm like,
wow, you know I send you your wires, right?
yeah, I do. But yeah, like, yeah, I just don't want to have shitty trades. I like being 96%. I like being over 90%. But you know, at the end of the day, I'm not trying to hit home runs, and I'm proof positive that you don't have to just be tied down to like one idea, you know, and just trade like super volatility to really make it. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of a long-winded diatribe, but it works. Ego.
Eddie Van Traden, aka Memphis, says that's a risky trade messing with Suge. You would be correct. Always get the head through the doors of the app. Taurus Trader says, Suge, Wolf is great, but can he always get the head through the doors at the office? LOL.
I never come to the office, so I don't have to.
That's why he's got a convertible.
That's true.
All right. Let's get into this, guys. What I want to do right now, real quick. Recently, we launched a couple of new crypto courses. We have a full crypto program coming out mid-month, and one of the guys that we brought on, aside from Jason Simmons, who's going to be our head crypto mod, we are now. Hang on a second. We also went ahead and brought on Chef Daddy, and Chef Daddy is going to be our crypto apprentice, really somebody that's had a lot of years trading crypto and has been in the room working with us. I'm going to bring him on. Nope, lost him again. Oh, nope, he's there. All right, hang on. Jeff, you there? Nope, he's frozen.
Brutal.
All right. Well, some other time. Hang on a second. I think we have a special guest.
I thought I was a special guest.
You are the special guest.
Just special.
Hang on. Hang on, guys. Yo, are you sponsored by them?
Yeah, they do actually send me stuff.
Do they really?
Yeah.
How come I don't get any of that?
Because, you know, you're not the wolf. You gotta be the wolf, buddy.
Who doesn't send you stuff?
As I drink from my sponsored.
Unreal.
You have to have a win rate like Wolf to get stuff like that.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Let's.
Oh, can we get Elena on here?
No. Hang on.
Great. She would just yell at everybody.
This is correct.
Amazing.
All right, guys. Keep asking your questions. Let's do it. Hang on one sec. How many people are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Hang on. Let's see.
It's a question. Dana Scavidi, I'm going to answer this one while everybody. When the Fed raises rates, what stocks do well and what will, there you go, hit hard besides tech? It's really anything. Oh, wow, it's Mike.
Heyo!
Heyo!
Are you
What's
still
up,
wearing the same
guys?
bathing suit?
Huh?
Are you still wearing the same bathing suit?
No, I've got a different one. You know, I change them every day. I
As
change them every day.
the picture that you sent us?
Oh yeah, that one. That's my special bathing suit.
How's your
Guys,
honeymoon,
what's up,
man?
man? I gotta tell you, man, I'm super. Great job this week, everybody. The entire TTG fam, you guys killed it this week. Can you guys hear me or no?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Oh, okay, cool. I don't know. I can't tell. I'm trying. I'm on my cell phone, so I can't really tell if you guys can see or hear me or not. But
Yep.
We're just so thankful to have you back on the stream.
I know.
Nobody
You guys
is more
miss me?
thankful
I
than
miss
me.
you guys.
Nobody is more thankful than me.
It's not easy, Adam, huh?
No, it's not easy to do your job and my job. No, it's not easy.
Good stuff, guys. Well, listen, I'm super excited I'm coming back. I'll be back on Sunday. We've got the Tesla giveaway. We've got the Porsche giveaway. So I'm super stoked. I'm just happy to be back for the giveaway, man. I know that our entire TG fam, everybody's really excited about the Tesla and Porsche giveaway, or 30, 50 grand, whatever the winner chooses. Is everybody hyped for that or what?
Yep.
I can't wait. I feel like I'm talking to myself. What's wrong with you guys? Why you guys all sound dead?
No, like I'm waiting for you to pan and then
Hey yo, my man.
Yeah, can you show us what you're
The killer
show us how the other
himself.
side lives, Mike?
Well, I'm just, I'll talk to you guys. Just it's like my little private little hut. It's right out onto the water. Got a little private little bathtub over there. Beautiful palm trees.
A hot tub or a bathtub?
Don't. He's a weird dude. You don't have to answer his
Bathtub.
You know,
Bathtub.
I got my little fire pit down there.
Nice.
Little hammock. It's awesome. It's beautiful here.
Nice.
A
Well,
fantasy island.
get
Yeah.
back.
So
Get
guys,
back
I'm
to it.
just want to pop in, say hello, and before I get myself ready for dinner, I just came in off the beach. I said you guys are live. I said, Adam, pull me on. Let's do this. Say what's up. Say hello. I miss you guys. You guys did awesome.
Actually,
And
the
I'll
way
be-
this went down was, hey man, can you come on for a second and surprise everyone?
Yeah.
The
So I
greatest
will,
question is, have you traded at all this week?
Oh, he froze.
The suspense! The suspense!
You took profit on Clove.
Yeah, that's what I said. He
That's-
took Crow.
Yeah,
wait, am I
Clove.
back? Am I back?
You're back.
Yeah, no, I sold because I own Clove. Well, I own Clove from like $12, and when Clove went crazy, I just started selling it. So I was.
We're gonna lose him.
Guys, you'll have to hear this story when he gets back.
Sunday night, guys. Sunday night, 8:30. We're giving away a brand new Tesla or Porsche. I'm gonna just leave his face up like that because I think it's funny.
Oh, there we go.
And Mike, go enjoy the rest of your trip. I know that I'm gonna cash in my vacation the second you get back. So good luck.
Yeah, you've already gone away a couple times. So
No, you got COVID, so I had to work.
That was like a year ago.
Yeah, me too.
So yeah, my first vacation in.
My first vacation in ever.
Feels good. Feels good.
All right,
well,
all right.
guys, I'll see you guys all Sunday night for the stream. I'll let you guys get back to it. Educate our viewers. I'll talk to you guys later.
All right, see ya. Aw. There you go, guys. There you go. All
That
right.
was literally awesome. Thanks for that surprise. That was awesome.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
was
He doesn't
hoping-
realize it yet, but I truly am taking an entire week off this time.
I was hoping that he would pan, and then you'd see Danielle with like a rubber ball in her mouth or something.
Wow, Jason.
Oh,
Jesus, bro. Don't do that. You're
That would have been hilarious.
Why is JD off? Oh, there he is. All right, cool.
Look, JD thought it was funny. He was laughing. Look at him. He was cracking up. Glenny's like, been there.
Lenny
to
literally,
answer your
never mind. I can't.
so
All right.
Dana,
You guys have any other questions? You guys have any other questions? What other questions do you guys have?
Dana asked a question about what happens when the Fed raises interest rates.
Yeah. Go ahead. Answer the dude's question. Go ahead.
So Dana, the answer is anything with a high multiple. Okay, so if something is trading at there's a debate that this thing is trading at a crazy multiple or PE ratio, whatever. Maybe something like Zoom or like a Roku. Those things are usually the first ones to get hit. If you need to go back, look, everything's going to get hit. So it's funny because Jessica was talking about a trade the other day, and she was talking about Caterpillar. And I own Caterpillar, and I've owned Caterpillar for a while. And I said, well, take a look at how Caterpillar performed last time they start talking about interest rates. So what you would do, Dana, is just go back to September of 2018. Like, I think it's September 29th is the date to start. And then you can take a look and see what some of the hardest hit stocks were. So you could go back, you could look at Apple, you could look at Boeing, you could look at tech, and you could just go through the sectors, and then you'll be able to see. And those are usually the first ones to recover. So, just have a look. Like 10 minutes of due diligence, and you'll have it down.
All right.
and there's stocks and industry sectors that will benefit from rising rates. So not everything's going to go down. The banks, financial services, insurance companies, those will do well.
No, they all take a hit. They all take a hit. So the way that you could manage it, because Glennie made me think of something. Look, you could also look at inverse ETFs to hedge, especially if you're heavy in specific sectors like real estate, financials, or technology. Cool.
Yep. Andrew asks, how do you use liquidity in a stock to help determine the size of your position and entry point? And I'm just going to give this one right to Simmons. Go ahead.
So, guys, the quicker that the stock moves, you want to make sure that you watch your size. The slower it moves, you're not going to get a crazy $2 or $3 drop. And with the stocks that are moving really fast, you really don't have to have that many shares to make money if a stock's running 300%. So with the stocks that are, what do we need as traders to make money? We need range and liquidity. If you have a small cap stock that is moving, for example, was it ORPH? Guys, that was dangerous. Imagine if you had shares at 75 and it came all the way back down to 12. Like, you always have to find your risk management and adjust it to what's moving.
Excellent. All right, next question. Holistic Strength asks, what is every mod's favorite pattern to trade? Simmons?
So my favorite 1-2 combo is the trade line VWAP cross break up through the initial morning high with volume. It has a shorts trapped, and we get some really explosive moves off of that. It's a 1-2 combo.
Nice. Is Twitter considered a pattern?
I don't know. Is it? I don't. Yeah. I mean, I'll
I'm
just
just
say.
messing with you. I'm just Toner. Go ahead.
I like looking at the candle formations. Our favorite pattern would probably be head and shoulders pattern. You get a break below the neckline, and you can almost guarantee the stock's going to move lower. I also like to look at the long-term charts a lot with your golden cross and your death cross, with the 50 SMA moving above or below the 200 SMA on the daily chart. So all of those.
All right. Momin. You're muted. You're muted. Still muted. Still muted. I had you muted. All right, go ahead.
From technical perspective, I like channels, and especially in wings, I use KC channel, which is Kindler channel, or DC channel, dot channel. Bounce from moving average in daily, it's kind of good indicator too for a nice support. And I like to watch volume in options and implied volatility increase.
Okay. And JD?
I prefer the trade line VWAP cross with the volume, same as Simmons. Follow that up with the channels, and also ascending and descending wedges. I like those a little bit. And you're able to check out for breakouts, either in the pattern or out of the pattern.
Jessica?
I think my favorite is TTG triangle, wedge breakouts, and then the trade line VWAP cross with volume.
Nice. And Glennie?
Well, for swing trades, I'm looking for continued.
Oh, Glennie, the ball gag is not a indicator or pattern. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, go ahead.
Well, then I've got to come up with another way to trade then. So as a swinger, I'm looking for continuation patterns like a bull flag, basic bull flag, stock that has some good momentum on the upside. Maybe it pulled back a little bit, forming a flag, and will regain its momentum.
Thank you. Dude, the cow in the background is killing me.
The cow?
Poor guy.
Yeah, no, we're good now. We're good now. It's been a long week. It's been a long week. All right, let's see what we got. And Simmons, what do you think about those 3 questions? I'm just fucking with you, dude. All right, and JD went, Jessica went, Momin, you went. Everyone went, right?
Yeah. I didn't go, but that's okay.
Yep. All right, let's see. Do you guys discuss these? Okay, here's a good one. Do you shut up, Sammer? Do you guys discuss flags and other trends in the chat room live?
Yeah.
Everybody just say yes.
Mm-hmm.
Just everybody.
All right, at the count of 3, everyone give Damian Giraldo the right answer. You ready? Yes.
Yes. All of us have our screens up in the chat room, so you can flip between them and see what all the mods are looking at, and then we come on and explain to you what we see on our charts for possible entries and exits.
And it's not only flags. Like even if we have a nice support bounce, we are sitting on a strong support, or if we're approaching a resistance level, we always say this on mic. So you're gonna be in different sectors, like big market caps, small market caps. We're all over it.
Okay. Nice. And Joy Water brings up Joy Waters, aloha to you, by the way. Brings up a good point. Members and mods even post charts on the chart trends. So we do have a lot of our members that have been with us. You know, our goal at True Trading Group is to literally teach you how to fish, how to stand on your own 2 feet. All right. When you're a trader, you become the ultimate entrepreneur. All right. But just receiving trade alerts is not what makes you. So just because you can execute on one of these professional traders trade alerts does not mean that you're the ultimate entrepreneur. It means that you're good at following something and you may understand parts of it. When you learn how to identify your own chart setups and your own watch lists and your own trades, and you start profiting from that and learning from that, that's what makes you the ultimate entrepreneur. Because at that point, you're no longer reliant on any of these people. You become self-reliant at that point, which is huge. And at True Trading Group, this is literally what we go ahead and teach you guys how to do. That is literally what every last bit of True Trading Group is designed to teach you this. Okay? So, let's see. Let's do like one more question. Let's see. Anyone? Bueller. Let's see. All right, I have a question. A lot of our members and a lot of prospective members, they're the top two questions that we get from people are, is it possible to trade with a full-time job, which we answered, all right? And is it possible to start with a small account? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to ask the audience, right? Because a lot of them, I'm sure, are members. And we're going to say this. Guys, if you work a full-time job and are killing it with True Trading Group, I want you to go ahead and type I in chat right now, please. All right, let's take a look. What do we got? CRW, Blessed 876, Ellen Jane, Jim Dandy, Smokey. Yeah, there's going to be a lot. Guys, look at all the eyes that are being typed in chat right now. There's a lot of them. All right. Next question I want to ask is the following. So a lot of our members or potential members think that you need to have $25,000 in an account to day trade, to be able to participate, to be able to get the most out of it. What I want to know is how many of you started with under $1,000 in your account? True Trading Group members started with under $1,000 in their account. How much did you start with? Maybe sound off a little bit about where you're at now. Okay? Sound off in chat, guys. All right. So Mike Cast is a construction worker. All right, guys, look at what's coming in right now. Bo Blanchard, $1,500, now $6,000. Tanya started with $250. Matthew Chu, $2,000. Bruce Sears, $500. Thomas Colton, $100. Zuber Koya, $1,900, $700 profit on the first day with TTG. Pwizzle started with $250 and a Snickers bar. Yo, you're killing it, bro. That's awesome. That's the best one. Flip Flop started with $250 and tripled it in a month. Okay. Ben Hardwick started with $1,000 and is now at $25,000. Okay. Ross Arnold, I started over again with $8,000, hit a peak of $300,000. TTG was $36,000 of that. Awesome. Okay. Motivated Himes started with $200. Guys, this is pretty incredible. Okay. So there you have it. All right. There you have it. We also have a mobile app that will keep you connected throughout the entire day, whether you're you know, whether you're at your job, with your family, whatever. You get all the alerts in real time, regardless of where you are. So, all right, excellent. So now, what I'm going to do is I am going to, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say good night or good weekend to our mods. All right. So good night. Good night. Good night.
Have a great weekend, everybody.
Thank you, Glennie. All right, Toner. Thank you very much, man. You were huge this week. Thank you.
Thank you.
Simmons. Jessica.
Good night.
And JD. Thank you, buddy.
Have a good night.
All right. So, guys, what I want to do right now, Joe, your ship, handle the captions. All right. What I'd like to do right now is I want to know how many of you are not TTG members. Go ahead and type the word TTG in chat right now. For anyone that is not a TTG member, type the words TTG in chat right now. And stick around because I'm going to go through the back end of the entire True Trading Group platform for you. All right, we have Josh Linzenbach, Damian Giraldo, Zuber Koya. We have Dean Smith, Adita Singhania, Brian Feeney, Show, RV Thomas, Tim Danielson, Mike. Oh, no, Mike's a member. All right. We have Anthony Mishoff. We have Paul Harris. We have Brandon Strybeck. We have Spitalog, Ryan C., Chev, 10X. All right. What's the elf sitting on a wall time zip? Hit the bid. Is also the elf sitting on the... Guys, can you guys inform time zip what that elf is on the wall, please? Just type the elf's name. Oh, okay. All right. All right. I'm just making sure, man. It's Grogu, not Baby Yoda. You guys are killing me. Baby Frodo? Oh, buddy. Yoda's turning in his grave right now. Rest in peace, Yoda. All right. All right. So, guys, let's talk about, let's do this. So now what I'd like to do is, here's what's going on. All right. For those that may not know. Okay. This, let's go ahead and Joe, switch the caption. All right. So what it is that we're going to be doing is Sunday, okay, this Sunday, starting at 8:30 right on this YouTube channel, we are giving away $30,000 cash or a Tesla Model 3 brand new, or $50,000 cash, and $50,000 cash and a brand new Porsche Macan. Or a brand new Porsche Macan. It's up to the winner. You can take the car or the cash. All you have to do is be a member of True Trading Group by tomorrow at midnight. That is it. Once you are a member, you go into your member dashboard, you click on event registration, you fill out a form that takes 2 minutes, and you're set. You are good to go. The winner will be announced live Sunday night on this live stream on the YouTube channel starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Okay? We have a hell of a live stream planned for you on Sunday. Mike will be back. All right, so it's going to be great. And yeah, it's going to be really great. Now, for those of you that type TTG in chat, listen up. I'm going to walk you guys through the platform. I'm going to tell you guys what it is that you get, and we'll go over all that. All right, first things first, the price. Okay? So what I want you guys to understand is that TTG is not just a bunch of courses in a chat room. Yes, we have courses and a chat room, But what TTG is so much more. We are partnered with Benzinga, okay, one of the top financial publications that exists today. We are partnered with Quote Media. We are, so let me just read through it. There's a ton. So with True Trading Group, it's a 1-year membership. That's the only membership we offer is a 1-year membership. It is normally $2,212. Till Sunday night at midnight, you can get it for 42% off, which is $1,274 when you use coupon code TTG121. Okay? Now, I re-upped our laptop stash. We have 70 laptops that I can give out between now and Sunday. So that means when you sign up between now and Sunday at midnight, you will receive a brand new Asus, Lenovo, HP, or Acer laptop. Okay? That is what you will get just for signing up. Yes, we cover the shipping. And yes, we do ship international. Okay? Coupon code TTG121. The price will say $19.90 at checkout. You have to actually enter the code TTG121. Okay? Now, let's talk about what you get. First of all, we're the Netflix of trading communities. There are no upsells. Okay? There are no upsells. We do not charge you more for individual, things that we add or anything like that. Everything that we have, everything that we will have is included for that price. And our price is going to $2,500 in August, and that $1,274 will be the price you pay the following year for life. Okay? And Matthew Chu, laptop made it to me quick, less than a week. Absolutely, thank you. Nika Domi, mind your wealth. I got my laptop in Canada really quick after I signed up. Thank you. Okay. So let's talk about what you get. Joe, pull it up. You ready? All right. With your TTG membership, you get access to the top premium trading tools and products, and we bundle them together as part of your membership. Included in your membership is Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed and Squawk. Okay? This is real-time news, and guys, in this market, especially with everything that's going on with the meme stocks and everything else, that the person that has the news first wins. The trader that gets the news first wins. Okay? I cannot even begin to tell you how much this has saved members money and how much this has made members money. It is substantial, and you get access to it 24/7. Okay? You also get Quote Stream's real-time level 1 and full book level 2 data, as well as real-time options data. This is all part of a trading simulator, so you can practice trading stocks and options without having to risk your hard-earned money. Guys, use the simulator. There are other services out there similar to ours that will cost you $1,000 to $2,000 more, give you 90 days free on the simulator, and then charge you for it after that. You get it here for free for the entire year. You will never be charged extra. Okay? Learn to trade practicing risking fake money. Do not risk real money. Use the simulator. Okay? You get access to Trade Ideas real-time preset scanners streamed directly to members in chat. This is where we get our information for our, the stocks that are moving higher, lower, our gappers, everything in between. Okay? Then you get TradingView Pro Plus's charting software with real-time streaming data. You get a minimum of 10 easy-to-follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community that has over an 84% win rate. Now, if you sign up by Sunday at midnight, you will also get one small private study group with any TTG moderator that you choose. Okay? That includes Mike. Guys, the courses. You get 17 professional courses. And before I get into what they are, I want to tell you, our entire curriculum is based on a continuing education model, meaning that every quarter we put out new courses. Okay? We consistently add new courses because there's consistently changing things in the market that people need to be educated on. For example, we just added 2 brand new crypto courses, right? We're going to put together workshops and potentially courses on sentiment trading. This is all things that are extremely, extremely important to stay on top of. It'd be really easy for us to take your money and say, okay, well, you get the courses that we haven't touched in 2 years. Well, that doesn't do you much good for today's market condition, right? 17 courses, foundations courses, advanced courses, crypto courses, options courses, advanced options courses, swing trading courses. We even have a course on how to do your taxes as a trader. All right, guys? Then you get access to our video library with over 100+ hours of recorded workshops, webinars, and live events, and the ability to attend any of these live. And guys, we do at least 1 to 2 of these a week. All right, and access. You guys tonight saw the moderators here. At any point during the day, you have the ability, okay, at any point to literally contact via private message in chat or direct message or just, talk to them in chat. Basically, you have access. You contact any of them in real time in chat throughout the day. Everyone is in there. Nobody trades for 2 hours and dips out. Everyone is there all day in the trenches with you from market open to market close. Okay? Market open to market close. We are in the trenches with you. You ask us anything. We will absolutely do what we need to do to help you guys out in real time. What's that worth? Having access to 8 pro traders? What's that worth? That's probably worth a lot more than the 1274. All right. Also, the question that was asked tonight, there was a question that was asked tonight. The question was, what has changed since you became a mod with your trading style, right? Well, did you notice the theme tonight was when they all answered that question, it was all about the members. There's been pressure, there's been this, because people here actually give a shit about you and your success. So when people care about you and your success, they consider you when they make decisions, such as calling out a trade. This is your hard-earned money that you're in here with. That's no joke. That's no joke. That is why we are so committed, because of you guys. All right? And all of our mods put our members first. All right, guys? And just to further put this into perspective, the Benzinga Pro newsfeed and Squawk on its own is $1,188 a year. Real-time streaming level 2 and level 1 with the options data, $990 a year. Stock simulator, $720 a year. And TradingView Pro Plus charting software, $720 a year. Now with the new crypto tools from CoinMarketCap, before that, that's a total of $3,648, not including the courses or anything. Now throw in the tools from CoinMarketCap that we're doing for crypto, is that we're looking at over $4,000 a year value that you can get for $1,274 between now and Sunday. Guys, our price is going up. We know our worth. We're walking it up slowly. Okay. But by August, we will be at $2,500. There will not be a cheaper price than what you get between now and Sunday. All that's done. It doesn't. What holidays do we have between now and then? No. Whatever holiday is between now and August, the price will not be cheaper. All right. We have 4th of July. The price will not be cheaper. The cheapest price you're going to get is the $1,274. That's it. And Monday morning or Sunday night, that price goes up. Okay. So guys, Joe, pull up the checkout page real quick. So guys, you actually have to go to the checkout page. If you see the laptop in your checkout page, the picture of the laptop, it means that you're one of the 70 that gets it. Cash King, where can I find lifetime membership info? Here, text this number. All right. Alphonse Dieni, I've been trying to contact a few mods with no luck. Is right. Yeah, you can take the first course inside of True Trading Group. It shows you how to use the chat room properly. So you can use the @reply function inside of chat. Our chat is like nothing else, guys. It's not Webinato. It's not Discord. It's not WhatsApp. It's nothing. It's proprietary, and it is great. Guys, how is our chat room? Damien, it's on your dashboard. So Joe, go to the dashboard. Damien, look at the screen right now. On the bottom left-hand side, you'll see a green button, right? It has the instructions there to claim your laptop. Then go over to the bottom right support. You'll put in your name, your email, and then where it says, how can I help you? Put in claiming laptop and give us your address. All right? That's how you do it. That's how anyone claims their laptop. All right? T-Rex, what's up, buddy? So, guys, I'll do one better, and then I'm going home. Anyone that signs up before Sunday at midnight, I'm going to give you a full money back guarantee. Sign up, do the courses, pass the exams with an 85% or better, do your small private study group, which you will only get if you sign up before Sunday. And then, at the end of the year, if you did not make back the 1274 at least once, I will give you all of your money back and you keep the laptop, our gift to you. All right? So guys, that's it. You spend $1274 right now or before Saturday at midnight, and you get a free laptop, a money back guarantee, a tremendous education, a bunch of tools that you're going to pay for anyways, that here you get it as part of your membership, and a chance to win $30,000 and a brand new Tesla. I really don't see it getting any better than that. Oh, yes, we could ship the laptops to African countries. Yes, we can. I know this because we just shipped one to South Africa. All right. So there you have it, guys. Also, we are 5-star rated on Trustpilot. 5-star rated with 1,242 reviews. Okay, 1,242 reviews. Okay, I encourage Nigeria. Yeah, I'm sure. As long as DHL goes there, we will be able to send your laptop. Yes, we ship to Canada. You know this. All right, guys. So that's it. Sign up before Saturday at midnight. You're going to get a brand new laptop, 42% off. You have to use the code TTG121. All right? You literally have nothing to lose. All right? The upside here, yes, I could ship to your PO box. The upside here is so tremendous for you that this should be an absolute no-brainer. Do not let yourself miss out on something that could seriously help to change your life for the better and your family's life. This is not pie in the sky. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not offering you the opportunity to be multimillionaires tomorrow. None of that. None of that's real. I'm offering you a chance to be a part of something that you can put in the effort with us and get back 10 times what you put in. Not money-wise, but the effort and everything. I'm not going to guarantee your returns. I want to make that clear. I'm talking about you put in the 1274 and a little bit of effort, and we will go above and beyond to make sure that you have value provided to you. We will go above and beyond to make sure you have every tool accessible to help make you successful. All right? Brian Feeney, if that's what it takes, you got it, dude. A laptop and a Grogu. Do it right now. I got you, bro. All right. I love you guys. You guys have been so supportive this week and so amazing. Thank you so much. Mike is back on Sunday. I go back to my producer role. This is awesome. What kind of laptop? It's free and it's new. It's going to be like an Asus VivoBook, Lenovo ThinkPad, a Acer Chromebook. It depends on what we have. All right. Guys, thank you so much. Make sure to use the coupon code TTG121. Sign up. Do not miss out on this giveaway. Do not miss out on this giveaway for Sunday. That would be a huge. Don't miss out on the free laptop. Don't miss out on this on the discount. All right, don't do it. All right, you guys got this. All right, sign up. Let's do it. Join us Sunday night and let's get it done. All right, TTG121, 42% off, free laptop, and there we go. All right, see you guys. Good night.